Good morning, students. Students, today I will teach you how we can subtract any 4-digit number with zeros. Okay, so you just see here I wrote 8,000 minus 6,523, right? So we know that we always start subtracting any number from ones place, right? So here just see in ones place 0 and 3 is there, right? But if we compare these two numbers, we get to know that 0 is less than 3, right? But here we have to place a number that will be bigger, or I can say greater number. But in this case here the 0 is what? The smallest one. 3 is the greatest one, right? So for that reason it will borrow 1 from its neighboring number. Now in its neighbor again 0 is there, right? So now this 0 will ask 1 from its neighboring number. Now here also in its neighboring number 0 is there, right? So now this 0 will ask 1 from its neighboring number. Now beside this 0 8 is there, right? So this 8 can give what? 1, right? So now this 8, it will reduce and it will become 7. It will give 1 to this 0, and this 0 it will become now 10. Okay, now this 10 it will give 1 to this 0. So now this 10 it will reduce and it will become what? 9. Now this 0 it will become what? 10. Now this 10 it will give 1 to the neighboring 0. Now this 10 it will become what? 9, and this 0 it will become what? 10. Okay, now again see the values in ones place. Now 10 and 3 is there. Now 10 is the greater one. Yes, 10 is bigger than 3. Now we can do what? Subtraction. Okay, so 10 minus 3 it will be how much? 7, right? 9 minus 2 it will be how much? 7, right? 9 minus 5 it will be how much? 4, right? 7 minus 6 it will be how much? 1. So our answer is what? 1477. Let's take another example. So suppose 7050 we have to subtract this one with 3472. Okay, now let's do the subtraction. So we'll always start from ones place value. So see the ones place value, 0 and 2 is there. Now 0 is less than 2. That means what? It will borrow 1 from its neighboring number. Now in its neighbor 5 is there. 5 can give 1, right? So this 5 it will become now what? 4, and this 0 it will become what? 10. Okay, now 10 minus 2 it will be how much? 8, right? Now see the tens place. 4 and 7 is there. Now 4 is less than 7, right? So this 4 will borrow 1 from its neighboring number. Now see in its neighbor 0 is there. 0 can't give anything, right? So this 0 will ask 1 from its neighboring number. That means to 7. Now this 7 it will give 1 to this 0, and it will become what? 6. Now this 0 it will become what? 10. Now this number it's asks 1 from this 10. So this 10 it will become what? 9, and 1 it will give to the 4, and this 4, it will become now what? 14. Okay, now 14 minus 7, it will be how much? 7. 9 minus 4, it will be how much? 5. 6 minus 3, it will be how much? 3. This is the way of doing subtraction from 4-digit number with zeros. Okay, remember, the one who will give 1, that number will reduce by 1. Okay, that means we have to do minus 1 with that number, and that number which will borrow the number, right? That means 0 borrowing 1 from 7. So this 0 will get plus 10. Okay, and it will become what? 10. Okay, so this is how we can do subtraction, okay, with zeros. Okay, I will show this number here. 60202518. So this 0, it will become what? 10, and this 2, it will become now 1. So 10 minus 8, it will be how much? 2. 1 minus 1, it will be 0. Now this 0 and this 5. Now this 0 is less than 5, so again we have to regroup this number. So this 6, it will reduce by 1 and it will become 5, and this 0, it will become what? 10. 10 minus 5, it will be how much? 5. 5 minus 2, it will be how much? 3. Right? So our answer will be what? Okay, wait a second. So our answer will be 3502. Okay, this one is the answer. Okay, let's do the next one. See the B part. 8300, it is given here. 2455. We have to do subtraction. So now we'll start from ones place value. So this one is 0. It will borrow it from the next number, but here in the next number again 1 0 is there, right? 0, this number can't give any number. Okay, we can't borrow anything from 0. So this 0 will move to this number, and now this 0 will ask, or I can say it will borrow from 3. Now 3, it will become what? 2. Now this 0, it will become 10, but this 0 is also asking, or I can say it wants to borrow, right? So now this will give, or I can say this will reduce to 9, and this 0, it will become now 10. Now 10 minus 5, it will be how much? 5. 9 minus 5, it will be how much? 4. 2 minus 4. Can we subtract 4 from 2? No, because 2 is less than 4. So now this 2 will borrow it from the 1000 place value. So this 8 will reduce by 1 and it will become 7. And this 2 will become now 12. Now 4 minus 12, it will be how much? 8. 7 minus 2, it will be how much? 5. So our answer is what? 5845. Okay, this one is what? Our answer. Okay. See the C part. 7005 is there. and you have to subtract it from, wait, 2345. So now see the ones place value, 5 and 5 is there, so same number if you subtract will get 0. Now the next number is what, 0, and the number that is placed below 0, it is 4. Now 0 is less than 4, so we have to regroup this one. So this 0 will ask a number from this number. Again we get what, one more 0. Now this number will borrow a number from 7. Now this 7, it will reduce and it will be 6. This 0, it will now become 10. Now again we have to regroup this 0. So now this 0 will become 10, but this 10 now it will reduce by 1 and it will become 9. Now see, 10 minus 4, it will be how much? 6. 9 minus 3, it will be how much? 6. 6 minus 2, it will be how much? 4. So our answer will be what? 4660. Okay. Now see the last one, that is D part. So 8100, we have to subtract it with 3268. So now see the ones place value, 0 is there, so we know that 0 is less than 8, so it will take, or we have to regroup this 0. Now this 0 is also less than 6, so we have to regroup this one also. So now it will borrow it from this number, that is 1, that is placed in 100 place value. So this 1 will reduce to 0, and this 0, it will now become 10. Now this 0 have to give a number to this one, so it will become 9, and now this 0, it become 10. So 10 minus 8, it will be how much? 2. 9 minus 6, it will be how much? 3. 0 minus 2, again 0 is less than 2, so it will borrow it from 1000 place. So this 8 will now become 7, and this 0, it will now become 10. So 10 minus 2, it will be how much? 8. 7 minus 4, it will be how much? Sorry, 7 minus 3, it will be how much? 4. So our answer is what? 4832. Okay. So whenever we subtract any 4-digit number with 0, okay, we have to regroup the number. Okay. So like this only we have to do the questions that are given in exercise 3. Okay. So now you will do E, F, G, H in your copy. Okay, in your classwork copy you have to do this question.